everybody, how you doing? I'm Ricky, and I'm here to show you another foundational move in house. All right, these are called heel digs. All right, the very simple move, and what I'm going to go through is just different variations as far as patterns, directions, ways to travel. We're going to start with the basic breakdown of this step, and then, I just kind of want you to follow along with me in the patterns that I do. And these are going to set you up to create different combinations of how you execute this move. Hopefully it should also inspire you to find different ways to do this outside of the framework that I'm giving you, because there's plenty of variations and options based off your own feel. So I'm going to give you guys a few to work with, and you take that home and you play with them. You know what I mean. All right, the heel dig itself looks like this. All right, what I'm doing is, as I extend the heel, my shoulders are going here. All right, so without the heels, this is where your groove is going to be at. Obviously, with the house step being a little bit faster, we're going to go here. It's probably going to go even faster than that, but as long as you get this first. All right, let your arms be kind of relaxed. I kind of tend to let my opposite arm and foot, join up, but it can be here, it can be here, it can be anywhere. All right, but the base of it is going to be here. All right, so let's do that a couple times to the music, and then we're going to play around with some variations. So first thing we want to establish is just the rhythm for this step. It's not going to be this slow. I just want to give you the technique. Now we're going to speed this up. Cool, so if we got that, that's easy. What I'm going to do now is introduce a pattern. All right, these are going to be doubles. Again, doubles don't have to go out like this. They can stay here in the pocket. They can cross. So you got different options. All right, last one is one of my favorites. I like single, single, double. This one you can get like loose, you can get freaky. All right, let's go back to singles. Let's turn this way a little bit. Turn again. Turn again. One more time. Watch this. Look where the hips go. Try and move forward just a little bit. Try and take it back. Try and go forward. Now let's stay with single, single, double for a little bit. Hopefully you caught that. You can move a little bit. Let's go right back in the middle. We're going to slow this down to halftime. You also have this variation to play with as well. 4, 3, 2, 1, and we out. All right. Hopefully that helps you guys, get through these easy steps. Remember, take your time. Focus on how to play around with your area and your surroundings within this step, and you'll have plenty of fun with it. Peace.